Debbie Richardson from Tin Teddy. Today we're going to talk about Tonic Nuvo Drops. These are wonderful drops that make beautiful raised domes on your projects. Really cute. And they come in lots of gorgeous colours. Yay! So let's have a look at a bottle of Tonic Nuvo Drops. This is the Caribbean Ocean. It's a 30mm bottle, which is a good decent size, and you can see it has a beautiful crystal lid with a sort of faux diamond set in the top, so they look absolutely gorgeous on your shelf. I've got two different sorts. This is the crystal drops. These dry to look like a ceramic drop, a shiny ceramic drop, and a glitter drop, which, as the name suggests, has glitter in it. There is a third sort available called jewel drops, but I'm afraid I haven't got any of those to show you at the moment. Oh yes, and did I mention they come in lots of amazing colours? So here are two other types of drops that are available, Cosmic Shimmer, and here are the Pearl Effects. And you can see that the Tonic Nuvo Drops are 50% bigger. They're 30ml bottles, quite large. And I'm going to show you some in use. Here's the gorgeous Violet Galaxy. The nozzle for applicating is very thin. It's a nice petite little nozzle. You just hold it over your piece of paper, gently squeeze. This is the first time I've used this bottle, so it's takes a bit of getting used to, getting going. And you squeeze it and out comes a blob of Nuvo Drop. And you just leave it to dry. The first one I've messed up a bit, of course, because I'm on camera. That's inevitable, so let's do it again. Make another blob, and there we go. You'll see it does leave a little peak sticking up, but that peak soon will sink back down and settle. And here's a photograph that I took about half an hour later, and you can see they've now formed perfect little drops on the page. You can make the drops in any size you like. I'm just going to add some faux centres to the flowers that are on my post-it note here. So there's a medium-sized one and there's quite a large drop. And again, they have little peaks at the moment. Half an hour later, perfect shiny ceramic dots. Absolutely gorgeous. You can also use your Tonic Nuvo Drops onto a piece of acetate. I'm just using an old CD sleeve here. If you do this and put your dots onto the acetate, once they're dry, you can pick them off and then glue them onto your project, which is great if you're a little bit nervous about putting the dots directly onto something that you've just spent ages making. As well as making basic dots, you can make other shapes. I will do a tutorial in the future showing some of the different things you can do with Tonic Nuvo Drops. Here I'm using Copper Penny, which is a lovely metallic colour. I'm just making 3 dots, and I'm just going to drag them with a cocktail stick. The first dot was already a little bit starting to dry, so it didn't go quite as well as the other two. Like a lot of things, you know, a little bit of practice helps with Tonic Nuvo Drops. Now I'm using Ruby Slippers, which is one of the glitter colours. The glitter colours look quite translucent when you first put them down, but when they dry they form a bit solid, more solid colour, and they're a little bit darker. They're very, very beautiful colours though to use. And I'll just turn this one into a little heart, and then I can again leave it to dry and pick it off and glue it down onto my project later on. Once you've got some Tonic Nuvo Drops, you'll be using them on absolutely everything. You'll be putting little dots over your cards and your ATCs and your journal pages. I absolutely adore these. Oh, did I mention they come in lots and lots of lovely colours? Thank you very much for listening. Please subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and check out my website at tinteddy.com. Bye!